Hello. Today we're going to paint another night sky with starry stars, with green blue aurora on a forest campfire. And I start with aqua blue and cobalt blue to start the sky. I think the key is to leave that crack in the sky that allows the light and the aura to shine through. And every time I paint the night sky, I think the challenge is to be able to layer the night sky so that it looks with a breathing room instead of painting the whole entire night sky the same color. And add yellow for the campfire effects and green, neon green for the aurora. Okay, first layer dried. Re-wet the night sky to add a next layer of colors. And for the color to be very vibrant, we're just adding layers and layers and layers of similar colors so that the colors stack on top of each other to look vibrant. Now the dark part is actually Payne gray, which is an excellent dark medium to add to any blue to increase the intensity of the shadow. Payne gray is a very cool colored gray that mixes really well with blue, and I try to use it for most of my shadows. And while the sky is drying, I'm going to add the forest. I did not get the first part of the forest on video, but this is the second layer. This is a kind of light purple color for the background trees, more in the distance. Just layering with different shades of purple and blues. Don't forget to constantly mixing up the colors so that painting has a variety of color flowing through. Some area just add a dab of brown, some area just add a dab of green or blues so that no tree has the exactly same color. Now add a very heavy dab of ultramarine blue and Payne gray. I'm going to paint the foreground trees that's away from the campfire. Remember, when painting trees, make sure your hands are brush strokes are loose so that the tree looks has breathing rooms. Always leave gaps of white among the leaves. And try not to paint all the branches in the same direction. Make sure the brushwork is very varied, flexible. Alright, so back to the sky. I'm lifting up some of the colors in my crack of the night sky. See if I can get more breathing room and more layers of colors where I want it to be. Alrighty. So in order to add more the gassy feeling for the aurora night sky, I decided to paint a very light layer of opaque white and wash it out with waters on the edge to give it that coming through with the white color in the sky. I'm not sure this time if this is a technique that's a good decision, but that's what I went with. Alright, that does not look too bad. And dab, 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 adding the stars. Always my favorite step on painting, making sure that the splatter cut from all directions. And here is the result. Hope you liked it. Please like and follow my channel for future videos just like this. Have a nice day and happy painting. Bye.